Let's see how we can increase image quality in Photoshop. We have this small little image, and if I zoom in, you see it's very pixelated and it's not usable. We cannot really print this. So how we enlarge this image and make it ready for print? Photoshop has a new technology. If press Command Control K and go to Technology Preview, this should be checked on Enable Preserve Detail 2.0 Upscale. So make sure this is checked on. Now press OK. Now if I go to image size, let me come here. Now you see the photo is 130 kilobyte and the width is 236. It's very small. Now let's make it 10 times bigger and make it a better quality. Just put 2000. But before you put it on 2000, make sure the resample is on Preserve Detail 2.0. So first you put it on Preserve Detail 2.0, then increase the width, for example 10 times larger, and I put it on 2000 pixel, and we have something here called reduce noise. So by default maybe it's on 0. Let me check on the eye. You see it's not really good actually, but if I increase it, it make it a bit softer, but we lose the pixelated image. We lose a bit of texture that it's annoying. But right now, I believe it's much better. Just take a look here and there. This is a small and this is 10 times bigger. Now, let's click OK. Let me Command Control 0 and just take a look. Now we can use this image and we can print it, and it's going to be much better than that pixelated image. And if I go to image and image size, the quality is 9 megabytes and actually is 10 times bigger with better quality. And what amazing technology we have here. So what is called Preserve Detail 2.0. So make sure activate it, put the reduce noise on around 18 or 20, and voila, you see the transformation of a very pixelated image to very professional looking and ready for print image.